Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to solve something went wrong problem on Snapchat. Okay, so when you are going to log in your Snapchat account or you want to create a new Snapchat account, then you face this problem. Oops, something went wrong, please try again later. Okay, so if you face this problem, how you can solve this problem, this is the main topic on this video. Okay, so if you want to solve your problem of something went wrong, please try again later, what you have to do is you need to watch full video till the end, because in this video I'm going to talk about few steps. If you follow those steps, then your problem 100% will be fixed. Okay, so let's go to main video. Okay, so I request you all, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, so your first steps, if you want to fix something on wrong, please try again later. What you have to do is you need to turn on and off your mobile internet connection. Okay, so if you are using Wi-Fi, then you need to turn off Wi-Fi, then you need to use the mobile data. If you are using mobile data, then you need to off mobile data and you need to on Wi-Fi, and then again you try to log in your Snapchat account and you try to create new Snapchat account, then your problem probably will be fixed. If your problem is still not yet fixed, then you need to follow another few steps. Okay, those steps if you follow, then 100% your problem will be fixed. Okay, so those steps is, first of all you need to go through your settings, then you need to try to find out the application and permission, and then you need to go through app manager. Okay, and then you need to try to find out the Snapchat apps. Okay, just need a little bit time, then your Snapchat, your all apps will be showing here. Then you need to find out the just Snapchat. Okay, so you can see here is the Snapchat coming out, and then what you have to do is you need to click on permission. You need to allow all permission. Okay, so just click on permission, then one by one you check and allow all permission. Okay, so make sure all permission allow, and then what you have to do is you need to clean your internal storage on Snapchat. So if you want to clear data on your Snapchat, what you have to do is just click on internal storage data, and then you need to click here, clear data and clear cache. Okay, and then if you are using Android phone, what you have to do is you need to go through Google Play Store and then search here Snapchat. Okay, and then if here need a Snapchat update, then make sure you Snapchat update it. Okay, you just note it, if you are a Snapchat user, then always you need to be use a Snapchat latest version, then you can enjoy more features and more advanced settings. Okay, and then what you have to do is just go to Snapchat account, then you try to log in or you try to create new Snapchat account, then your problem 100% will be fixed. Okay, so you can see now here is I tried to log in my Snapchat account. Okay, just need some time, then Snapchat will be logged in. Okay, see, this problem already fixed. Okay, so in this video I already showing you all few steps. If you follow those steps, then 100% you can solve something went wrong, please try again later this problem. Okay, so if you are still not fixing these issues, what you have to do is just turn off your phone and again you try to log in and again you try to create new Snapchat account, then your problem will be fixed. But if you need any help, please comment this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please comment this video, like this video, and subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So see you soon on next video. Till then, take care, tada, bye bye.